can't really see what I'm doing, so I'm hoping this is cute. But I'm going to the salon now to get a sewing weave. A sewing with a leave out, okay? For those of you that don't know me, hi, my name is Bliss, OG Bliss, the YouTuber, and I am back with another video. So yeah, sewing with a leave out. I'm so excited, and then I'll go get a new set of nails because this popped. Yeah, you can bring it. Sure. I'm hoping y'all can see me. If you cannot, sorry, you'll see me better. And yeah, it's giving simple. Mimi. Anyways, hi guys, see you. So I'm using the Lydia Rose Kinky Straight Synthetic Hair Extensions. This is high quality, so it means it takes heat well, but it doesn't curl. I got this for about 10 or 12,000 naira. Any hair extension store should have this, but if you're outside Nigeria, I could link you to a store. So this is a step-by-step tutorial, and we're going straight into it. First things first, he parted my hair down the middle and then took out hair that we're going to leave for the sewing, made some braids that look exactly like this, and started sewing the tracks to my head. This is actually straightforward and pretty easy. He didn't really have to do too much manipulation. Next thing, we had installed, I think, 2 of the tracks here. So as you can see, it is pretty full. This is us installing the last piece of hair, basically the last bundle of hair. We're down to the last part of the hair, which is the straightening of the hair, which we kept out for the leave out. And he sprayed heat protectant, hair sheen, and then he just went in with the straightener. I'm usually afraid of straighteners, but he was pretty skilled, so he didn't hurt me, even though I kept on flinching because of PTSD, but that's okay. So one thing I like to point out is even though the hair we left out for the leave out wasn't so much, he made sure he straightened them in smaller sections to make sure that every piece of hair is well straightened and you get your desired result. Now, I just really want to say this. The texture match between my hair and the weave is just literally so perfect. I mean, I chose the hair, but I didn't expect it to be this good. Like, just look at how my hair and the weave blends together. It is, oh my god, I look so good. I haven't gotten a sewing in a long time, and this just made me so happy. So we chose a no baby hair look, so all we did was slick back my edges, and that was it. Your sewing with the leave out is officially done, and you can be outside. Like I'm outside right now. So yes, you guys, that's basically it. This is 26th December. Yeah? Yeah? It's me too. Chairman, it's me too. Hi, this is 26th December 2024. I did not do an update because I've been too busy enjoying the whole Christmas thing going on. But yeah, this is cake. We just finished gift giving in my house, and I'm obsessed. And we're eating cake right now before we have shawarma for lunch. Anywho, this is my hair after I think 4 or 5 days. It's in a low pony. I gelled it, but I was in a hurry, so I didn't do it quickly. However, I have been enjoying my hair, and I will insert videos of what I've been doing, different styles. So I would say if you were to go for a sewing, yeah, sewing is best, really. And it's great for protecting your hair in December. Come up closer, they can see what it looks like. Yeah. Looks like. This is what it looks like almost a week later. I'm enjoying it. It's so easy to style. I don't have to do too much. Just grab my sister to braid it for me because she's got long to do. Yeah. I hope you like this video. It's a short one, but
you better like it, guys.
Comment, subscribe. Have a good Christmas, the best end of the year, and a good new year.
Woo!
Bye! A blissful new year.
Good. In a matchup. Bye, guys.
Bye.